Welcome back to the Griddle, guys. We got Silly Nate, Chris, Jeff. Please like, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do right now.
Do it now.
As soon as you do, the video will play.
Go ahead, we'll wait.
Yeah, definitely.
Still waiting.
Did you hit it yet?
I got all night.
We got our Yetis. We're good.
Anyways, thank you guys for joining us. We have a great cook tonight. We are doing P.F. Chang's chicken lettuce wraps, Copycat. I love them. I've had them several times. Every airport, I can't go through an airport without stopping in. Good stuff. Quick, easy, low carb, Jeff?
Kind of low carb, yeah.
Right? Yeah. Inexpensive, flavorful.
Light, too. Nice
Very
and light.
good, very good.
Yeah.
Quick, easy, we'll show you guys how to do it. Stay with us.
Ingredients for this cook. Chris laid all these out for us nicely. Thank you, Chris, for that. So we're gonna have some chopped onion. Recipe calls for 2 cloves of garlic. We love garlic. We're going overboard on that. We got 3 big ones in there. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce.
We got light soy sauce.
We got light soy sauce. Jeff turned us on to, up here, Jeff. Jeff turned us on to
Double soy.
double dark soy sauce. I was kind of reluctant at first, but I'll tell you, that stuff's good. If you guys haven't tried double dark, give it a try.
It's not low salt or sodium.
No, but
not?
it doesn't taste salty. It just tastes like richer sodium. I mean, richer soy sauce. It's really good. But anyways, we got light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons. We got a 1/4 cup of hoisin sauce, some green onion going in, 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, bib lettuce, fresh ginger. That's going to end up being a tablespoon of fresh grated ginger, and
We're
then
gonna let Nate do that. Make sure he doesn't cut any knuckles or fingers off, but
a pound of ground chicken. So this is the pre-ground stuff because Chris is lazy.
yeah.
So
That's what I use. It's easy, it's quick. You throw it on there, you break it up a little bit, it's perfect. And it's tasty.
he comes to my house, I hand cut fresh chicken, but whatever, you know. And then salt, pepper. This is to taste, I would imagine.
That's
right?
my favorite right there.
So the recipe says a tablespoon of this. Chris is probably going to put maybe half this.
Are you going to tell us
My
what it
guess.
is? We're all trying to guess.
Come on, really? Sriracha.
There we go.
Anyone who watches this channel knows what that is,
That's-
Jeff. Right?
Go
And
to.
the butter lettuce.
Butter lettuce.
Yeah.
All right,
Yes, they do sell it at the market. It'll be there.
let's get to work.
He's got skills. He's got skills.
Nice. Nice.
You know, while he's doing that, we should talk.
About how small that knife is?
Come on, no, it's a perfect knife.
It's a baby knife.
Come on. Well, it's on a glass thing, so.
My fingers are numb, and
And you gave him a tiny knife.
he gave me a tiny knife, and I'm on a glass cutting board.
We'll have to
so.
bleep that. It's all right.
No, but we should talk about our buddy, our new friend, Hussey. We have to. The guy's 3,000 away, subs to
From a-
100,000 subscribers.
From a button.
From a
button.
huge button. What is
Play
it, a silver
button.
medallion or something?
I don't know what
I don't even know what it is, but
And we probably won't know for a little while, unless you help us out too.
if you're, yeah, we won't know for a long time, but he's almost there, guys. If you are watching and you're not a sub to his, please go check him out. Sub, help him get there. He's this close. Hungry Hussey. I think Matt will appreciate that we're still rooting for him. We're it's community.
Yeah.
We're a family. We're trying to help him out for sure.
It's a different style of cooking too, so you got a variety.
I enjoy him. I watch him all the time.
Yeah, looks good, Nate.
This minced too, I imagine.
Yeah, same way. Oh, look at you, fancy. All right, guys, so it's Jeff's time to work.
I don't know why.
He's gonna throw the chicken down. First step. Real quick again, guys. He's gonna throw it down. Hopefully not hurt himself. We got the ground chicken. It's gonna take, maybe 3 to 4 minutes to get this. Gonna chop it up. Oh, you didn't put oil down. You put oil down. Damn, Jeff, can't you do? Come on.
Oh, I'm trying to eat healthy, you
Put
know?
oil down. You get that down, so I'm gonna let this go. He's gonna chop it all up. He's gonna get it nice and thin. We're gonna cook that up. It's got the medium-high heat right now on this side, low on the other side. And once this is all cooked up,
Yeah.
blup, 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 blup.
Just make more noise so we can't hear Chris.
How do you really feel, Nate?
Just saying. Any salt, pepper on that, Jeff? Or you skip
No,
it?
we do that later. We do that
Later?
after.
All right. All right.
More closer to the end.
So we just want to get this pretty much 90% cooked? Did you want to cook the whole way?
Most of the way, we're gonna get the fat out of it, drain that a little bit, and then we'll start adding all the good stuff.
Did that work?
I don't know.
I did.
Yeah. So that's that's maybe something we want to talk about with
It's
these guys.
disappointing, actually.
No, you know what? I think it's because it's
It's the
cold out.
extremes.
Yeah.
And it's when you put a big chunk of something
On one side.
on one side, it
Right.
sucks the heat out of it.
Yeah.
Right. And so this griddle surface, before we fire it up, was 38 degrees.
Wow.
So we heated the whole thing up, and then we dumped a bunch of cold protein on one side.
Yeah.
So I'm not overly surprised that it warped. And by the way, once it cools down, it goes back to flat.
Hopefully.
But
No, it does. It hasn't let us down yet.
give that a rock, Jeff, so they can see. That's quite a bit of a warp.
It never happened on my 36 though.
It's never happened. Actually, it has happened on my 36.
It's happened on mine, too.
Really?
My 36 when I've dumped when I've been
Maybe I just take care of my stuff.
Oh.
when I've been cooking for a big group,
Yeah.
and I've gotten it like really hot, and I've dumped a ton of steak tips on one side. It has warped.
That's getting worse. Anyways. Glad it's not my griddle.
Jeff's cooking, I don't know. It was fine before he started playing with it.
I mean, not for nothing, but to me it looks like, and we have it on film, Jeff broke your griddle, so he probably
Yeah.
needs to buy you another one.
Yeah. So anyways, chicken's almost done, so we're gonna push this off to the side and
Yeah. Then we're
Clean
going to
it up.
start adding all the good stuff to it.
all right,
All right.
do that.
Time to add the good stuff.
do the
Jeff,
problem.
start with the onions. Get those right in there.
We're gonna start with about 3/4 of that,
Yep. Yeah, it's a good amount. That's a good
look
amount.
good?
That's good.
and we got the ginger.
The garlic.
You're okay.
We're going all this garlic.
All of it.
How was
All
five
that-
guys?
Yeah, I don't think we cut enough, actually. And now,
Gonna do the soy.
Soy sauce.
Yeah.
Right on top.
Hoisin.
Yep. I kind of like this.
Yeah.
Kind of enjoy you making you, my cook, but making you do it.
We got
Look at
this
that. That's good
a
stuff.
medium heat, right? And then we got the rice wine vinegar, right?
Yep.
That was with Tiff. And
We're gonna
what
do
did you
the
get for that?
sriracha after, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Notice,
Thank
show the two spatulas that I'm using. They got holes in them, so you want that to, well, I have both, but those will help it all go through. Kind of like your fried rice, yeah, just keep mixing it up. Exactly. This is why I asked him to do this part. Jeff's good with it.
Yeah. If you look at my
Try to keep it off my garage floor, though.
stir-fried noodles, remember that?
You gotta keep it away from Duncan. Duncan's been here he is.
Where is he?
Prowling around here looking for some tidbits.
You go from no smell at all to this aroma that comes off. It's amazing. I think that's good right there. Gonna let that cook for a little bit, just to kind
Let's
of.
go from the front to the back if you don't mind. Yeah. Get it all the same color.
Yeah.
And now we can add some salt and pepper. You can leave it, spread it out a little bit. You can actually throw the green onions in now, a little bit of salt and pepper.
That looks pretty consistent right there.
Yeah.
So salt and pepper. Say when. Good.
Good. Green onions, throw them right in there.
Half of them, right?
Yeah, half. Perfect. Mix it up. As you're mixing it up, I'll throw the sriracha.
Don't go overboard.
I don't know that we should let you be controlling that.
You got the ginger in, right? Yeah, we're good.
Yeah. Good. Perfect.
Right, guys? Come on. I didn't go
Good.
crazy.
Looks good.
You should have done like that Salt Bay, like up here thing.
Oh, yeah.
Try not to get it all over me.
Right. Don't want to get your hat dirty, Jeff.
Well, this looks good.
I
That's
think
it, huh?
I think we're done.
Well, maybe this is really a
It's like
simple
another
cook.
minute or two with that right there, and I think we're done.
Just to kind of let it combine,
Yeah.
cook in. That's pretty well mixed.
What's the griddle on? What time?
Medium high. Medium right now. Did it level out again, by the way? Let's, hold on, still, oh, wow, that's a black.
Oh, really? The griddle surface is
Shocking! The griddle's hot. Wow, go figure.
Surprise, surprise.
What if you touch the other side of the...
Oh, that smells good.
It smells really good.
Smells
That
delicious.
smells good. All right, so we're gonna dress these up, guys. I think we're done here, but we're not really done until we actually have a lettuce wrap, which we will do. We'll set that up right now. Stay with us.
All right, guys. Chris assures me these are good. I'm a little skeptical.
Shows you, I'm positive. If you don't like it,
Positive?
you can get out.
I will say,
You can
Jeff,
leave.
Jeff, you did a good job with mincing up the chicken. It's nice and fine.
You did a nice job with the presentation. This thing's beautiful. I wish restaurants would serve it like this.
Right?
Nice
Looks
big platter
good.
like that.
Here we go.
I smell the ginger just by you walking by me.
Tempted to overstuff.
Not that one.
Yum. Oh,
Good?
yeah.
What are you thinking?
Well,
What are you tasting?
I always love ordering these, so it's kind of like a...
two things. I'm thinking one, I taste a lot of garlic and ginger, which is delicious.
Yeah.
Two, I spilled half mine on the garage floor, so Duncan's gonna be really happy.
You did. Oh my God.
But very, very tasty. Really good.
That ginger is still very powerful.
Very potent. Yeah.
That's good. You can have another one.
Ginger always has such
Wait,
a...
you already ate one?
I just
Wait,
want... I had to
Oh,
take...
I'm getting the back end too.
I had to
Get
take...
some heat.
I had to test
spice,
it.
yeah. Ginger always has such a fresh, pronounced flavor.
Yeah.
It just really, it comes out up front, and here too. But there is also some heat.
Wow. We need more.
Well, it's a great flavor.
That lettuce, when you eat it right, it kind of takes, it dives right into the heat. I just felt it.
So you apparently like it, Chris.
I love it.
Oh, here comes Duncan.
Are you not sure you like it?
Clean
we got
up.
dogs.
Clean up.
We got dogs. Looking for, Hunky, go over here.
We got to get this on camera.
Man, grab a camera.
Yeah, you got that? This,
Wow.
is,
Smell the
It's
food.
like they knew we were cooking.
this is our maintenance crew. And everything's frozen outside, yet somehow
didn't
they
like-
find mud.
He didn't like the hot stuff. You hear that cough?
All right, so anyways,
I kind of want to pick on Chris and say it's not that tasty, but I can't. Because
Yeah.
it's absolutely
Good.
delicious.
Yeah.
And this does have a serious amount of heat. I mean,
I like it.
I
like
shouldn't
it.
say
I like
serious.
It's not serious. It's not
But
that
it's
bad.
definitely warm. It
If
definitely
you
warms
do
your
more
mouth.
ginger, it gets more hot.
What do we think made it warm? The sriracha?
Sriracha.
Yeah.
I think the sriracha kind of
going to
pulls it together.
All right. Well, I was just going to ask Jeff to run us through the scorecard, but
Your
he's
third
apparently
one,
too busy.
dude.
All right,
That's
all
your
right.
third one. Did
All right.
you not eat?
I didn't. You had some kibasi, but that was it. All right, so first up, we're going to do cook complexity. And this is 1 out of 5, 5 being the easiest. Yeah, did it one-handed.
Yes.
I'll say 3
So I'm going to go with...
because I put it all together. But go ahead.
So since I always want to disagree with Chris, every opportunity I
Hey.
get. So most of these ingredients are not that exotic. Ginger, I mean...
The only weird one was
Fresh
hoisin,
ginger.
hoisin sauce. I don't have that.
And hoisin.
I had to go get hoisin sauce.
3 sounds fair to me. I'll go with a 3.
I'll go with 3.
I was going to go 4.
That's probably a 1 trip to the market for me.
Only with the
Why are
ginger.
you a 4?
I'm a 4 because I always carry this stuff in my house because I'm
Hoisin?
I always have hoisin. I'm the guy that's got fish sauce, oyster sauce, and all that stuff. So
I did have oyster sauce. If I called for that, I had.
all right, so we'll go for a 3. Next one is going to be flavor. 1 being the dog won't even eat it, which obviously that's not true.
They cleaned up the garage.
We somehow got more dogs.
No
but-
cleanup tonight.
So 1 to 5 on that. Flavor, I'm going to give that a 4.
I'm going to go with 4 too.
Yeah,
I'm gonna go 5. I think it's excellent.
he's biased, but yeah, it really is good.
He's
though.
always biased, always biased. The only reason I'm at a 4, Chris, is because there's a little bit of spice, so people that don't like heat might not like the spice.
Which they can.
They
go
can taper down.
a little
Yeah.
bit. Yeah.
Right, right.
So next is wow factor.
That's a pretty impressive
I think that's
plate.
an
I'm going to
impressive
go
plate.
with 3 on that.
I'm going to go with 4.
I'm gonna go with a 4. I'm with Jeff.
Yeah.
I think it's there is a wow factor as far as you can have people over and do this at your own home. That lettuce, just the presentation alone. Never mind how good it tastes, but it's good.
All right, so we're going to settle on a
So we're gonna grade in the Chris curve. So you guys both voted 4, which means it's probably like a 3.
All right.
But
And then we
we'll
got,
go 4. We'll go 4 on presentation.
last things last, we got the ingredients. And
That is Instagrammable.
that's definitely Instagrammable. Absolutely. It will actually be on Instagram in a couple days.
5. 5.
For ingredient list,
Oh.
we already went.
Ingredient list.
I'm gonna go with the 3.
I'm gonna go with 3.
A 5 in my house because like I said, I carry.
You stock this
Yeah.
stuff.
So if you have the stuff, then I'll. But the average person, I think this is a 3.
I agree.
Right.
Fair enough. I'm 5 for all of them, guys.
He's very disappointed.
All right. Oh, hold on, Chris. You're the guy you're the math guy. So add them all up. What was
That's
the total?
like 16 probably, maybe 15.
I go with
I
like
don't know.
30 something. Anyways.
That might have been 12. I don't know. We'll add up later. It's Friday night,
All
guys.
right.
Give us a break.
But I will say this. Hold on. I mean, all things considered, this is
now
a.
can I have another one?
Yeah, go ahead, Jeff.
Jeez.
Dig in. Oh, all these 3s and he's digging in.
I didn't give a lot.
Oh, you got a couple
Look at,
4s
look
in
at
there?
Duncan. Look at Duncan. He's like-
Donkey. Come here. Hey.
no, but in all seriousness, this is not a tough cook. This is a very easy cook.
It's
right?
simple. It's low carb. It is very cheap. It's not expensive.
Man, you could make a huge batch of this for like
You
a
can-
Super Bowl party or
And
something
it's
like
delicious.
that.
Absolutely.
It's very tasty. So regardless of the Griddle Guy score, like I would definitely do this in like a big batch, and just hand these things
this
out.
blows my mind. So I made this last week.
Jeff and the Sriracha or the dog begging for it?
I made this last week, and
Doggy, come here.
I
so
put
delicious.
I instead of grating the ginger, I chunked it or I diced it. It was 10 times spicier. That's why I decided this cook. But it's Copycat, so we kind of tried to go by the book on this one. And I'll tell you what, this is what P.F. Chang serves. What we're tasting right here, I think.
Yeah.
But you can make it your own. You can change it. You can do
just
different things.
Yeah, the funny thing about ginger is if you put too much ginger, it can actually get literally hot, like hot sauce.
Super hot.
Yeah.
I think. I think that's what happens. I put
Fresh
too much
ginger is
in
one of
the
those
first
things
time.
you use in moderation.
Yeah.
But it makes a big difference. It tastes really, really
100% agree with you. First time ever.
good. We got video documentation of him agreeing with me.
All right,
First
Nix,
time
we're
ever.
done.
So hopefully you already subbed at the beginning of this video like we.
Yes.
Hey, whoa, Jeff, we didn't get it done. Did we get it done?
I'm gonna flex.
Save the same time.
Done.
Done.
Good stuff.
All right, for all you guys who didn't believe us at the beginning of the video, we said please subscribe. Seriously, subscribe.
Yes. Share. Tell your friends. Support the channel.
And hit the bell.
See you on the next one.
Hit the bell, yeah.